Welcome back, security leaders. If you're watching this, you're likely a seasoned professional in physical or corporate security, ready to validate your experience with the CPP certification from ASIS International. I'm going to give you a step-by-step expert strategy to not just pass the CPP exam, but pass it with clarity and confidence. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your strategic why. If you're at this level, it's no longer just about adding letters after your name. Your why should be a pathway to executive-level roles, a pivot to global security consulting, or the credibility needed for multi-site, multinational responsibilities. Knowing your strategic why helps you focus your study, network with intention, and align this certification with real career ROI. Step 2. Map your experience to the 7 domains. CPP covers security principles and practices, business principles and practices, investigations, personnel security, physical security, information security, crisis management. Your move? Audit yourself. Where are you strongest? Where are the blind spots? Pro tip: build a domain-specific prep plan. Don't waste time relearning what you already live daily. Step 3. Build a tactical study framework. This is where experts fail: overconfidence or scattered prep. What you need instead is structure. Use the official CPP study guide from ASIS. Pair it with protection of assets, POA. Leverage scenario-based practice tests to mimic the real exam style. Tools that help: flashcard apps like Anki, domain-focused spreadsheets, weekly accountability groups with peers, or LinkedIn CPP prep cohorts. Study smart, not just hard. You're managing a full-time career. Efficiency matters. Step 4. Sharpen executive thinking. CPP doesn't test memorization, it tests judgment. You'll face questions like, you're the CSO and a data breach occurs during a physical threat. What do you prioritize first? These aren't black and white, they're strategic. So, practice scenario-based judgment. Think like a CISO, not just a security ops manager. Use the ASIS CPP body of knowledge to identify leadership-level decisions. Frame every prep question with this: what would a security executive do here? Step 5. Simulate the real exam. Now comes test execution. Here's how you go in sharp. 225 multiple-choice questions, 3-hour window, 7 domains. Weight is uneven. Some have more questions. Take it at a Pearson VUE Center or online proctored. Simulation strategy: mimic full test runs in a distraction-free environment. Practice with a timer. Flag and revisit difficult questions, but keep momentum. Mindset on test day: calm, strategic, and rested. You're not just ready, you're aligned. If this video brought you clarity, smash that like button, subscribe for more expert-level certification content,